What's good, y'all? This is one of the quickest meals I make when I don't feel like cooking, the lazy edition. Quick story time, y'all. Y'all ever been so hungry, y'all almost passed out? Yo, I'm telling you, y'all, I would procrastinate and wait and wait and wait. I just be so tired of everything. You see, I was in my phone just looking like, oh my God, what can I eat? Yo, I be so tired. Then, of course, you go to the kitchen, you go in the fridge, you know it ain't nothing in there. We done looked in there 1,001 times, acting like something else is going to pop up out of nowhere. So I did the very best thing. Absolutely. Gourmet Hood 101. You can never go wrong. I'm telling you, a good little less than 5 minute meal right there. Would Gordon Ramsay do it? Probably not, but guess who would? And guess who enjoyed it? My belly did. So don't ever feel like you too good for a good bowl of cereal, because it's from me.
Get 'em slaw.